Hello Year 3. Today for English we're going to be looking at the prefixes non, mis, anti, co, and ex. So prefixes are a group of letters that can be added to the beginning of a word. Adding a prefix changes the meaning of the word, which means that we have different meanings per prefix. So each prefix has a different meaning, and these are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 that we studied in our books. So these are the 5 that we're going to focus on. Now, we have a top tip here, which says when we add a prefix to a word, we sometimes need to add a hyphen. A hyphen is that little dash, the little dash here. So we have to sometimes use a hyphen between the prefix and the root word. For example, non-stick. Non-stick, you can see, has the hyphen in between. So that's one of the little tricky ones that we're going to have to do. So first, we have non, which sounds very much like not. So we know that non can mean not, or it can mean the opposite of. For example, non-fiction means not fiction. The next one we have is mis. Mis means wrong or false. So there's the 2 different meanings for mis. Here we have the prefix misbehave. So it's not behaving well, behaving in the wrong way. The next one we have is anti, which means against. Here we have the prefix anti with social, antisocial, which means we're not wanting to be social. So sometimes we're in a bad mood and we don't really want to talk to anybody, so we can say that we're feeling a little bit antisocial. Don't really want to talk to anyone right now. Co, which we know means together or joint. So Miss Mena is our co-teacher because she teaches together with me, or she teaches in a joint way. So together, co-teacher. And Miss Mena is a lovely, lovely co-teacher for us. And the last one that we studied is ex. Ex means away from or out of. So here we have exhale. Inhale is the antonym, the opposite. So we inhale to breathe in and exhale to breathe out. So we have another couple of different ones. Who can give me some examples of any words that have a prefix with them? Any of those 5. Ibrahim, can you give me an example of a word with any of those 5 prefixes, please?
Misplace.
Misplace. What does this mean, please, Ibrahim?
Misplace means like you forgot where you put it somewhere and you forgot where to put it.
Okay, so we forgot
where you put it.
Good, exactly. We put it in the wrong place or the false place. Good. Thank you, Ibrahim. Okay, Jada.
Co-student?
Co-student. Are you students together?
Yes.
Yes. What about your parents? Do they have co-workers?
Yes.
Yes, so we could say co-student. I talk about you guys as co-students because you're students together. And there's also co-workers as well. Thank you, Jada. Very, very good. And then Carmen. Carmen?
I know it.
Carmen, yes? What is a word using one of those prefixes?
Misunderstand.
I misunderstood something. There was a misunderstanding. We could use it in a couple of different sentences, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Carmen. Okay, so those are the 5 that we studied. So let's go and have a look through some of the exercises, okay? And we're going to work on some of these together. So exercise 20 and 21. We're going to work on these ones together, and then you guys are going to finish them for your homework, and then you need to send me an email. So here are the prefix exercises. The number 20. Write the correct prefix before the root word. And use the 5 prefixes from above only 1 time each. Yusuf, would you like to answer a question?
Yes.
Excellent. Okay, so the prefixes that we have here, we have non, mis, Anti, co, and ex. We can only use
Yes.
it once each, Yusuf. So, would you like to
Okay.
do A for us? What do you think it might be?
Co.
Co? Do you think it's a co-teacher?
Yes.
Yes, it is. It's our co-teacher. Co-teacher. Does that sound correct, Yusuf?
Yes.
Bravo, Yusuf. Thank you. Okay, who would like to do the next one? Jada?
There was a misunderstanding and my friend got mad.
Excellent. There was a misunderstanding and my friend got angry. Very good, Jada. Thank you. And Mariam. Letter C, please, Mariam. Read the sentence.
I had to take some antibiotics
When I
when
got
I got sick.
Excellent. Well done, Mariam. Thank you. So, antibiotics. Ziad, would you like to do D?
I prefer to read non-fiction.
Excellent, Ziad. Do you actually prefer to read nonfiction books or do you like fiction books? Do you like
None.
nonfiction?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. I love fantasy books. Fantasy and sci-fi, I think, are really, really cool. Thank you, Ziad. Very good. Farida, do you want to do E for us?
Yes, I would love to.
Mm-hmm.
I watched the balloon explode when I put a pin into it.
Good. Explode. Bravo. It does explode. Is this, when it explodes, is it going out or is it going in?
Out.
Out. Okay, so that's what we have for the part there. Now let's go down to the next section. Here, what we're going to do, we're going to start and then I'm going to get you guys to finish this, okay, for your homework. Question number 21. Sort these words into the right boxes and write the complete word with its prefix. What we have, the 5 prefixes here, mis, co, non, anti, and ex. So let's have a couple of examples. Yusuf, which word do you know to sort, please, to classify?
Co-pilot.
Co-pilot, thank you. So here's pilot. We're going to draw a line through pilot. And then we're going to write co-pilot. Do we have a hyphen in between co and pilot?
Of course.
There is, of course.
Yes.
A dash and a hyphen here. Are you sure?
Yes. Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Yusuf. Next one. Ziad. Hello, Ziad.
Hello.
Hi, which word would you like to do, Ziad?
Express.
Express. Lily, are you there?
Yes.
Can you give me another example, please?
Non-toxic.
Non-toxic? What does that mean? What does toxic mean? Do we know what toxic means?
It's like poisonous.
Exactly. Thank you. So we're going to put non-toxic. Oh, we have a hyphen in there. I should have asked you before I did it. So we do have a hyphen for non-toxic. Thank you, Lily. Ibrahim,
Yes.
would you like to do another word?
Yes, of course.
Okay, what would you like to do? Which word?
Port.
Okay, which prefix is with port?
Port.
Export, thank you. Ibrahim, where is the port? What leaves from the port? Are they airplanes or boats that leave from the port?
Oh, boats.
Boats, exactly. Thank you, Ibrahim. Okay, and let's see. Omar, can you give me one more word, please, using a prefix?
Maybe mistake.
Mistake. Yes, very, very good. Thank you. Don't make a mistake with that one. Excellent. So we have mistake. Bravo, Omar. And Maria.
Hi.
Hi. What would you like to do? Which word?
Absorbent.
Okay, so what is the prefix for absorbent?
Non.
Non, exactly. So tell me, Maria, what is the material that is non-absorbent that we studied?
Iron.
Iron was non-absorbent. Very good. All of the metals were non-absorbent. Bravo, Maria.
Yes.
Thank you. Muhammad. Give me a word, Muhammad. Tell me, what do you have?
Misread.
Misread, exactly. So we didn't read it correctly in a wrong way. So we misread it. Misread, usually misread. Very well done. Thank you, Muhammad. What I want you guys to do is I want you to finish that one off for your homework. So we still have sense, terrier, social, treat, dote. Something about dote. This one's a little bit tricky, actually. Operation and bacterial. So I want you guys to finish those ones off for homework and send that one through to me, okay, guys? And that's all for today. Thank you, Year 3. See you next time.